Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on Tuesday, the 29th of January, and we are going to look at the closes, and then I want to go over with you the USDA's schedule on releasing export sales numbers. That's come out today. First, look at cotton. March cotton up 32 at 74.17, a high of 74.42, a low of 73.50. So we did make progress today in cotton. We were up higher, then we sold back off, then we came back late in the day. Made a new high late in the day, but then faded slightly on the close, but still a good day, up 32. March soybeans down 4.5 at 9.18 3/4, a high of 9.22 1/4, a low of 9.16 3/4. March corn down 2.5 at 3.77 1/4, a high of 3.80 3/4, a low of 3.76 1/4. March wheat down 6 at 5.12 3/4, and we've got a high of 5.22, a low of 5.10 3/4. I think if we stay true to form, tomorrow will be a better day for grains, and the cotton market will drag some. That seems to be the pattern we face whenever we see markets like this. Let's look at crude oil, up $1.37, dollar up 7, gold up $6 an ounce, silver up 8 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones right now up 70. Let's take a look at the schedule. It's a little confusing. What they're going to do, the USDA, this Thursday will release export sales for December the 20th, for that week. And then for each week, for about 3 weeks, they'll be going back and they'll be taking the next in line export sales that took place. For instance, they'll have on February the 7th, on that date, the following Thursday, it will reflect the December the 27th export sales. Then on the week on February the 14th, that report will reflect January 3rd numbers. And then they'll combine the January the 10th report, the 17th report, the 24th of January report, and the 31st of January report, and the February 7th report. They'll combine all those, and there will be one big number that will take place February the 22nd, and then after that, everything's caught up. So they're going to do this in stages. They're going to go back and take the last week that was not reported, or the first week that was not reported, and then they're going to do that next, and then they'll do that for 3 weeks, and then they'll throw everything else together and report it. A little confusing, probably be a little bit more orderly as far as the reaction of the market goes. So that is it. Have a good evening. We'll see you first thing in the morning.